What is happening today, ladies and gentlemen? So today we are working a little bit on the bus. Now I didn't record the beginning of this. Why? I don't know. But I'll give you a little walkthrough of what I've done already. And what we're going to do is we are going to pull out the last window that I had here in the bus. We're going to cover it with metal and we're going to basically spray foam around it like we did with these windows. Now, if you guys remember last time, we had foamed these in. I did end up cutting all of the excess foam off here, and we did already pull this window out. That's it over there. Now, all we had to do to pull out bus windows, we had to take out a couple of, four, to be exact, of these little clamps that held the window in, and then it just pulled right out once you broke the seal of the caulking around it. Now this panel, that's loud. This paneling right here came from the ceiling panel. Now we took this off because we're going to insulate this. We're going to put something different on here, and we used that ceiling steel to, cover these up, and then we put the foam, the solid core, and then we foam around it, which you'll get to see the whole process of that today. I already started on this. I drilled 4 holes on each side for a total of 8 holes. Then I put in a bolt that has a waterproof washer on the other side. I put that through. I put a large washer steel, then a locking nut on the other side. And it doesn't matter to snip this because it's going to be filled in with foam eventually. But without further ado, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to be going in and out a lot because this is the last panel, so I don't have access to both sides to hold it in and bolt it in. I've somehow misplaced my vice grip, so I'm just going to be tightening down with some regular wrenches and then getting on the other side with a power screwdriver and tightening these bad boys up here. I already did 2 of these again, and you'll see me in and out of here doing it a couple times. I'm going to use zip ties temporarily. So, there we go. Alright, that worked out perfectly. 4 more to go. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to cut out an approximate size piece of closed cell 1-inch foam for this, and we're going to use a little spray adhesive and stick it on there. Then we're going to get the foam it up. Well, it's as easy as that. Once this bad boy fills in, we'll shave it off like we did the rest of it, and we'll be able to put the wooden panels all the way around. Hey guys, simple video, easy, short today. Thanks for watching. Another day in Rich's life. We'll see you next time.